Words about the story of the friendly ghost. Advantage. Advantage. An advantage is something that helps you. Being tall is an advantage to a basketball player. Cause. Cause. To cause is to make something happen. The cold weather caused her to get sick. Choice. Choice. A choice is the act or possibility of picking something. I had my choice of 3 doors to open. Community. Community. A community is a group of people who live together. The kids from my community usually play together. Dead. Dead. To be dead is to not be alive. A dead person is usually buried in the ground. Distance. Distance. The distance between 2 things is how far it is between them. The distance between the Earth and the Moon is 348,400 kilometers. Escape. Escape. To escape is to run away from something bad. The butterfly could not escape from the cage. Face. Face. If you face a problem, you deal with it. My sister and I have to find a better way to face our differences. Follow. Follow. To follow means to go behind someone and go where they go. The little boy followed his mother home. Fright. Fright. Fright is the feeling of being scared. She was filled with fright. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos.